Alright everybody, we're out here with this KF600. It's a classic. This is the one with the dual cameras, but I'm only going to use the front camera because the bottom camera is just the optical flow camera, and it's not that good, as you saw from that indoor deal. So that bottom camera, that's just a gimmick, okay? So we're not gonna be messing with that. Let me see if I can get some video started here. Yay! Okay, so the video started. So we're one step ahead of the game already. Let's take off and fly it around and see what happens. Try to get the trim out. It's very quiet, this thing. Very quiet. Let's get the rate up. Really not a big fan of the phones down here. You know, at the bottom of the transmitter. Whoa. Well, that third rate has a pretty steep pitch on it as far as... Let's go back to second rate. See what that's like. Let me see how the camera's looking. The picture looks pretty clear on the phone. Now, whether that's going to translate to the video file remains to be seen. You know, I just don't know. Now, I'm going to let it sit there and just try to get some decent looking footage. Maybe move it over that way a little hair. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Not bad at all. I mean, for what it is, you know. Does not look bad. And I didn't feel any lag or anything up there. I think it was probably about 70 feet up or so. It didn't seem like it was lagging at all. I'm gonna bring it down. I got some old people walking over here, some old geezers like me. Got some old geezers over there. The optical flow on this thing, it seems like it takes a few seconds after you stop moving the sticks before it'll kind of settle down at all, you know what I mean? God, the pitch on that third rate is just too crazy. I think the second rate is more of what I'm looking for here. Of course, that could have something to do with the way these props are too, you know. Got the one inverted prop and then the other one Yeah, I don't like it the way it does this. It's got that bad pitch, you know. It just, as soon as you start pitching it and start pushing on the throttle, it wants to just dive bomb right into the ground, you know, and that's not good. You know, when it does that, that's not good. Let's see if it does that in the third rate. The only bad thing about the third rate or the first rate is if any kind of wind comes up, it ain't gonna go nowhere. See, even in the first rate it does it. So I'm sure that has something to do with the design of the props. Okay, we'll just have to ride it out here. See, look at that pitch on that thing, and that's in the first rate. Yeah, I'm not digging that, you know. I mean, I could probably just not press so much on the sticks, but it's just such a habit for me whenever I'm doing this stuff is just to just go full pitch forward all the time, you know. That's kind of just the way I fly, you know. Oh, I see some lights flashing. Okay, I gotta bring it back. The lights are flashing. Let me come back with. Let me stop the video. At least I can save that. Well, at least it didn't fly away on me or anything, but it just... I think it's an okay quadcopter. It just has this, don't hit me, brother. Okay, it just has this issue, and I think it's because the props on the bottom, you know, these inverted props, I think what happens, what this causes is when you go to pitch it forward, the props are down. It just really makes it go like that, you know. You know, really pitches it really hard. So, and I really am not liking that. So, oh well, it is what it is. I'm sure Ryan will like it. He can play with it in the backyard. All right, guys. That's it for the KF600. That's it for me. I'm shipping that out, so. Adios amigo KF600. It was pretty nice inside, but I don't know. I just really didn't like the way it kind of steered. It might be just me. Maybe just the way I fly. The way, you know, my style. This thing just not suited for my style, so I don't know. Ryan will have better luck with it. Alright guys, have a nice day.